The LAUNCH X431 Creader 5011 V2 TPMS Scanner is a comprehensive tool that integrates tire pressure diagnostics with an OBDII code reader, making it versatile for both amateur car enthusiasts and professional mechanics. This device excels in activating, reading, and relearning tire pressure sensors across a wide range of brands, thereby simplifying the repair process. Equipped with a 5-inch display and a robust battery, the scanner offers an impressive user experience with its high-resolution screen and long-lasting power. It supports a vast majority of TPMS sensors operating on 315 and 433 MHz frequencies, ensuring compatibility with nearly all vehicles. With its ability to perform 12 reset functions and full OBDII diagnostics, this tool enhances vehicle maintenance efficiency and accuracy. Lifetime free updates and multilingual support make the LAUNCH X431 Creator 5011 V2 a future-proof choice for any automotive professional.